Morning everyone. So today we're here in Kuta Lombok. We're on the mainland of Lombok. We came here yesterday from the Gili Islands. I think it took us around 2 or 3 hours to get here on a ferry and a little like minivan. And overall I think it was like $13 US per person to get all the way down here. So yeah, yesterday we were just like chilled out, didn't do much. And right now we're at the place where we stay in the Airbnb. It's called Hallway Homestay. Same deal as the other places. It's like $11 US. We get free breakfast in the morning, which is awesome, and AC and all that. But this one's slightly different. We have our pets. We got a dog. And where's the cat, Carol? Yeah, we got dogs and cats there. So that's pretty cool. And then the breakfast, same as usual. Got coffee, banana pancakes. We have like pineapple juice, fruit. And yeah, we got some pretty nice scenery here. So we got a motorbike yesterday. I think it was only like $3, cheapest motorbike we've got here. So the plan today is that we're gonna go for a little like scooter ride down the south coast here of Lombok and just go like beach hopping. There's supposed to be loads of beautiful beaches and cliffs and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna do that and check it out. Here he is, the guard dog. Sleeping on the job. Yeah, that's right, I'm talking to you. Alright, so we are on our way now. We're just gonna be heading to what's supposed to be one of the nicest beaches in the area. Welcome to Tanjung Aan. Hello. Pardon?
Ticket parkir.
Okay. How much?
10.
10?
Yeah.
10,000.
Yeah.
Carol, how was it compared to driving in Bali?
Oh, way better. You can't compare.
Yeah. It's like empty, right?
Yeah, the roads are large.
Huge, no potholes.
No crazy drivers.
Yeah, it's just empty, it's crazy.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Thank you. So we've arrived at the beach now. I'm not sure if I'm going to pronounce it properly, but I think it's called Tanjung Aan. And yeah, like we just said, what's up?
Something.
The drive here was just awesome, just completely deserted, super beautiful. Looks like Bali, just empty Bali pretty much. So yeah, let's check out this beach. Check it out. Place is beautiful, right?
Yeah, very beautiful. It kind of reminds me of Rio, like Arraial do Cabo.
Yeah.
Discount.
Just one.
Discount. 80, my friend. Okay, just one.
No, we're good. We just want one. We just want one. Only one.
Yeah, 80.
Alright, so we arrived at the beach and we literally got harassed by beach vendors. Like, we stopped one because we wanted to buy this here so we can lie down. But then literally like 6 or 7 just came out of nowhere. You can see more coming now. Now we're good, thank you. Now we're good, thank you. No, I'm good, thank you. I'm good. Alright, you can see how it is. Even in Kuta Lombok, yeah, there's like people coming up. They don't go away as well, like you have to keep saying no, 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 no. I don't think that's happened anywhere else, right?
No.
Not as bad as here.
Because other places we say no and
they go away.
But here, no, you need to keep saying no, 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 thank you, no, no.
Yeah, so that's been one negative thing about here so far. They were trying to charge us 400,000, then we got it lowered to 100,000, which I think is about $6. But then the others were trying to sell us in the end for like 50,000, so we could have haggled it lower. We didn't do the best haggling, but $6 we're okay with that anyway. But yeah, look at this place. Like, insanely beautiful here. You can see it's a pretty huge beach. Pretty much empty, only a few people here. You got this like super powdery fine sand here.
Thank you.
What?
Thank you.
Oh, I threw it on you.
Yeah.
Sorry. And yeah, just a really nice backdrop. You got this like powdery turquoise ocean as well. Yeah, the ocean here is really cold. The coldest we've had in a long time. It's quite strong as well. Very windy today. All right, let's go. Oh yeah, that's nice and cool. So I can't go underwater today because I didn't mention before I have an ear infection. So yeah, that kind of sucks, but I can still swim a bit. Not too bad. So we decided to get some chairs here. Basically, if you agree to have lunch at their restaurant on the beach, you can just stay here for free. And the lunch was only like $2 to $3, so really cheap. So yeah, decided to stay here. Hey Carol, do you want to buy something again? No? You don't want that? That looks like heaven right there. What's your problem? So we came to the restaurant at the part of the beach where we're staying. So I got this fish burger here, fries. I think this was like $3. And Carol, yours is called what? Kapkai. Kapkai, and that was like $2 only. So probably some of the cheapest food we ever had right on the beach. Usually it's expensive, but yeah, here in Lombok, it's cheap. Is that an Indonesian dish?
Yeah.
Yeah? What is it? Just vegetables and soy sauce or something?
Yeah. I don't know the spices, but there's something there. It's very tasty.
Sure what this is.
But I have no idea what is it.
You like it though, right? So we've now come to this other beach at the side. You can see another really beautiful, smaller beach. So the beach we were on before was just around this corner here. It's like two beaches joined together. Yeah, this one's even more emptier. The other one had like a few restaurants and stuff, but yeah, this one doesn't seem to have anything at all. So just gonna walk around here a bit. We saw before people walking up on this thing, so we'll probably head up there. So we arrived at the top of the rock, and as you can see, it's a pretty cool viewpoint from up here. So this is the beach we just come to now, and then behind me, over there is where we were at the start. So you can see around here, there's like loads of rocks and stuff. So it's kind of like I mentioned earlier this morning, the coast here is all like this. It's like these mountainous like cliffs, and as you just keep going, it's just beach after beach, I think. So yeah, it's pretty awesome, and I think pretty much everything here is deserted. This was one of the most popular beaches, and you saw no one was really here, so yeah, really cool place. So we're going to be heading out now. If we had known this beach was here, we'd probably just come here. Yeah, like I said, it was a lot quieter, and there was still a restaurant here, so would have still been able to get some food and stuff. And I think right now we're going to drive back to Kuta Lombok, where we're staying, and yeah, just chill on the beach there, check out how that beach is. We've arrived at Kuta Lombok beach now. Once again, nobody here. I forgot to mention before, but it's actually Ramadan right now, where like all the Muslims fast and stuff. So a guy, one of the beach vendors, just told me like that there's no business for them right now because yeah, nobody's really coming to the beach. Everyone's, I guess, resting and stuff. So I think that's why it's even so empty as well. Obviously it's the low season as well, but I think a mix of those two is the reason why nobody's here. And this beach doesn't look as nice. There's lots of boats back there. It's kind of like dirty. So we're heading this way here. Seems to be like some cool rocks here. So yeah, we thought that this part might be a bit better.
How are you, John?
Hello.
Where are you from?
Brazil.
You know, I am from Brazil.
Brazil.
What is your name?
Chris.
And you? Hello. My name is Neymar Junior.
Neymar Junior.
Football player.
So we got our little spot here. On this side the beach is a lot nicer. I don't think we're going to go in the ocean anymore. And here was the same thing as the other beaches, like straight away all people trying to sell us stuff. I guess it's because, like I said, there's no customers really around, so the moment you appear, everybody just comes after you, especially if you look like a foreigner, right? Oh, I think one more guy's coming right now. No thank you. No thank you. No. No thank you. No thank you. Okay, back at the Airbnb again. Thought I'd give you a really quick tour of where we're staying so you can pretty much see the whole room here. Got this big awesome bed, AC as I mentioned this morning, and then the bathroom looks pretty cool. Check this. That's pretty interesting floor right here. Thank you, Carol. Yeah, you got the interesting floor and pretty cool shower as well, powerful shower.
Best part.
Best part what?
The dog.
Oh, the dog. Is he here?
No, they're not here.
No? So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up. This place looks pretty awesome. We didn't even cover that much ground today. That first beach that we went to was only like 15 minutes away from where we're staying. But yeah, the island looks pretty beautiful from what we've seen at the moment. Probably maybe the whitest beach we've seen since the Philippines. Didn't really get anything like that in Thailand, so that was great. And yeah, everywhere is just kind of empty, so pretty chill, besides the beach vendors. I know I kept mentioning them. I know they're just trying to make a living, but the reason I kept mentioning it is because yeah, I've basically never experienced like that amount anywhere else in the world, not just Southeast Asia or any other country. It's never been that bad, so I'm not sure if it's always like that here, but it was even uncomfortable sometimes. They wouldn't like go away. You'd be like saying no like 20 times and they'd still be stood there, so yeah, it's pretty unusual, but we'll see if it's like that on the other days. And we extended 2 extra nights here, so I think tomorrow we're going to get a scooter and head the opposite way to the west side. Today we went east, and yeah, along the coast again, do some more beach hopping. Hopefully my ear will be a bit better so I can do a bit more stuff. So yeah, I'm enjoying it so far. And yeah, as always, just thanks for watching. Drop a like to help support me, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.